Hi guys, welcome to YouTube UV Tech Influencer ఛానల్. మీకు ఈరోజు ఒక చిట్కా చెప్తాను. ఎవరైనా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవాలి చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా అంటే how to uninstall a program from your computer. You need to hold down the Windows key and press R, which will open a run window, and you need to type appwiz.cpl where cpl stands for control panel. ఇది ప్రోగ్రామ్ అన్ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోవడానికి మీ కంప్యూటర్ నుంచి now click on OK. Now it opens the programs and features window, which will show all the installed programs on your computer. If you want to uninstall any program, right click on it and click on uninstall, or double click on it, which will uninstall it, or highlight the program, highlight the program application and click on uninstall, which will uninstall the program as well. This is the run window, run command to open uninstall a program, or you can see whatever programs installed on your computer. It's a very easy method to go to control panel directly. It's appwiz.cpl. Once you click on OK, it will open programs and features window. Please subscribe to my channel for more tricky videos. Thank you.